What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is Christine with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service, and we're going to talk about Tirzepatide today, which is the most misunderstood weight loss drug. Here's the problem I have. Everyone's calling it a miracle drug or a cheat code or just this shortcut for people who don't want to work hard, people who don't want to be called lazy, yada, yada, yada. But let's get one thing straight. Tirzepatide isn't a diet drug. It's a hormone messenger. A very important distinction because that difference changes absolutely everything. Now, what I want you to understand is that Tirzepatide mimics two natural hormones your body already produces, which is GLP-1 and GIP. I want you to think of them as text messages between you, your gut, and your brain. They tell your body three key things, and this is what I need you guys to know. Number one, they tell you you're full. Number two, they tell you that your blood sugar is stable. And number three, it is safe to burn fat again. Now, when these messages stop sending, your metabolism goes silent. You crave more, you store more, and your body fights every single attempt to lose weight. I know how very frustrating that is for some of you who struggle to do this naturally. Now, Tirzepatide doesn't override your biology, it reconnects it. Now, clinically speaking, Tirzepatide does a lot more than just suppress your appetite. It improves insulin sensitivity, so that's great for those with type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance. It means your cells finally get to respond to glucose again, instead of keeping your blood sugar on this roller coaster with insane carb tolerance. The next thing is it lowers inflammation and triglycerides. That's very important. It also preserves lean muscle, which is crucial for a long-term fat loss, as well as a higher resting metabolic rate and to help manage a healthy metabolism. Last but not least, it's going to rebalance your metabolic set point. That's that internal thermostat your body uses to decide whether or not to store energy or to burn energy. Your hormones are like a switch. So in other words, it's not just helping people eat less, it's helping their bodies work better. So no, it's not cheating, it's not lazy, it's not skipping the line. What this is actually doing on a hormonal level is restoring the communication between your brain, your gut, and your hormones. And I need you guys to understand that key distinction. That's not a shortcut, that's healing your metabolism, and that is the root at why a lot of people are dealing with stubborn belly fat. For people whose bodies have been silenced by years of yo-yo dieting, cortisol overload, and you guys know what I mean, insulin resistance, or hormonal imbalances, this is a tool that can be life-changing. Now, you still need to improve your habits, the way you eat, lifestyle things, but at Good Life Meds, we take a science-first approach. And because of that, every prescription is more than a pill. It is, in fact, a biochemical message to your body. So please understand that the clinicians combine our data-driven medicine with real human care, and this is going to help you stabilize your blood sugar. This is going to help you balance your hormones, and again, it's going to help rebuild your metabolism from the inside out. Before you judge it, understand it. Because the future of fat loss isn't about willpower, it's about communication. I'm Christine Hronik, and this is Good Life Meds, science in every dose.